Hey, this is Mr. Molo. Going to go through some tips for this test here. So if we look at the first three, no math required on those. You're just simply writing out what it says. So the inequality, make sure you have the right variable and then the right sign and then the right numbers. Kind of the same for 4 and 5. 4 is going to be a little easier because it's just 1, and then 5 is an and problem, so you're going to have 2 of them there. Make sure you write it correctly like an and problem. 6 and 7 are one-step problems. Don't forget to graph. When it says see left here, that means you have something else to do on the left. So to solve the equation, write it on the line, and then don't forget to graph. Solve the equation, write it on the line, and then don't forget to graph. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, kind of the same thing. So you got to solve, except now you're not graphing for these. And I will tell you from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, there's 1 no solution and 2 many solution problems. So half of those problems, or 6 of them there, 8 through 13, half of them are special systems, where one of them's a no solution and 2 of them are many solutions. So only for 3 of those you're going to get an actual answer. 14 and 15, solve the inequality in graph. So you got 1 or problem, 1 and problem. Again, write your answer on the line, and then don't forget to graph. That's why it says see left. Same thing for 14 as for 15. Now if we take a look at the back, 16, 17, 18, 19. So 16 and 17 are like the combos, kind of like 14 and 15. And then 18 and 19 are the absolute value ones. And I will tell you, somewhere from 16, 17, 18, and 19, there is only 1 no solution. So that means on this whole test, front and back, you should have 2 no solutions, because 1 is somewhere from 8 to 13, and another no solution from 16 to 19, and then you have 2 many solutions somewhere from 8 to 13. And then the last 3 there are word problems, and make sure there's 2 lines there for a reason. 1 is for your equation, so if you don't have the equation, you just have the answer there, you're going to lose some points there. And then 1 line is for your answer. And make sure you still have your sign, so you're still solving it like normal. There should be no equal signs on this test. This is an inequality test. Everything is less than or greater than, or less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to. So the first one asks how many hours you need to work. I'll give you a hint. It's not going to be the exact amount of hours. It's not going to be like 12 hours or 18 hours. It's going to be you need to work more than 7 hours or more than 18 hours or something like that. Same thing for like the last one is how much you can't make so much money. So you need to work less than, 42 hours or more or less than however many hours. So make sure you're reading the problem, writing out the equation on one line, and then writing out the answer on another line. Hope that helps.